How to change your payment method on Disney Plus. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily change your payment method on Disney Plus. First of all, open up your web browser and go to the search bar. Simply search for Disney Plus, hit enter, and you'll see disneyplus.com. Just go ahead and click on this link. And once you open up the link, if you haven't already logged in, just make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll find your profile icon at the top right corner. Just hover your mouse over there and you'll find your other profiles as well. The next step is to find the account settings, which is right under app settings. Click on accounts, and once you click on it, you'll get to your account section. And right below your account information, you will have your subscription page. So what you're going to do here is click on this option where it says manage on iTunes, or if you are subscribed using any other platform, you could see that option there. Now go ahead and click on manage, and then there you'll see your current subscription method. Now if you want to change it, you could just cancel the current subscription and use your other credit or debit card to change the subscription. So for that, you just have to delete your current one and then add a new one. Once you do that, confirm your choices, and now you should be able to change your subscription on Disney Plus. And once you've set up your new payment method, you should be good to go. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you guys on the next one.